Shuck, huh, I'm like shuck shit. Shawty got a big butt club. It's a hell of a drug. That's why she gives up, bitch. I think I'm into a hammer because you can't touch. Ooh, what you do? Hard to handle. Like.
What's up everyone? On today's video we'll be using the Flipaclip Animation app, the #1 app for animation. To animate, like you don't have experience, you're just a beginner, this is a video for you. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple ball animation. Okay, so we choose the canvas size. I'll choose Instagram, background color, and the frames per second. This kind of animation we're going to be making. Frames per second. So we'll be using 12 frames per second. You can increase it to 15 frames per second or 24 frames per second to make your animation smoother. But I like 12 frames per second. It reduces the work. So we then choose it and we use on the background. Okay, so let's use this background or this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so there's our layer, our paintbrush. You have a variety of brushes. You can buy the premium one. I'm using pen. There's the eraser, the lasso to move things, the color wheel to color, text. Okay, so for the first frame we'll draw a ball. Then you need to on onion on. So draw balls. Like animation is a imitation of life. Try to make life yourself, you understand? So if you want to animate, you gotta have that experience. You gotta know how things move in real life. Okay, so now we have a ball, a bouncing ball. That was easy, right? Yeah, but it really isn't. You need experience to make it easy for you. See frames you animated. See? Okay, then we can color. So let's make the ball blue. You can increase the color threshold to 100. Okay, color each frame. Okay, so after doing that, the animation is smooth. Okay, then we go over here, make movie. If you're using how do I call it? If you're using an unpaid version, you won't be able to remove the Flipaclip watermark, but you can also get the paid version by downloading the mod. Okay, so we make movie, and here's our animation. Shit. Now, I hope this tutorial really helped you. Animation is a gradual process, so make sure you continue with it. Just keep practicing, and one day you'll get there. Okay.